Hey, what's up? We're gonna be making a planet. Whoa, let's get started. So, first we're gonna make a UV sphere, because I'm not gonna be looking at this from the top or bottom, so it doesn't matter. You can use an icosphere if you want to look at these tops or bottoms, or I think there's some solution to fixing these. I just don't know what it is. And I'm just gonna go into subdivision modifier here to get the subdivision modifier and subdivide 2 times, and in render it's going to subdivide 3 times, shade smooth, we're done. So I kind of screwed up. Uh, so, a lot of my footage is useless because I ended up not saving, and well, since I didn't save and then something screwed up, the program crashed, and I was back at square one, and I thought I was recording from then up, but I wasn't. And so I have something that's already done, but I have not recorded the process, so I'm just going to show you the node setup. And that'll be that. This will be the end. So here's the node setup, just kind of, I'll bring this up a bit more so you can see it better. Just fully, and I'll go and break this apart piece by piece. This is the actual image texture. This is the color ramp for the actual color of the water, as you can see. If it will load in, there it is. As you can see, this is what's giving it the water right here. This is, and it may not look the best right now, but realize I only have this rendering at 8 samples in viewport. And then I have an add node right here, so I'm adding the entire image with this color, and I connected this to the FAC node. Anyway, and then we have this color ramp right here. I honestly don't know whether or not this is helping, so you can choose to have this or to not have this. I don't know whether this is doing anything for me, but it's there. This is for the roughness, and the margins are pretty thin for this. This is what gives the water its kind of shininess while it makes the land rough, so it doesn't like make the entire planet shiny and it looks like, well, a glass ball. So this is kind of differentiating between the two. It's like a specular map, except worse. And then we have our, of course, principal BSDF node and our displacement node, which is actually might be more than useless in this case, because you really can't see any displacement. But yeah, here's the final node setup. And let's move on to the clouds. Alright, so next up we've got the node setup for the clouds. Just, this probably isn't the best in any way, but yeah. So first we have a noise texture here, 4D noise texture, and just set this to 19.9. Then I have color ramp in between. No, it's just kind of asking what's this gonna do. I don't really know what it's gonna do. I still don't know, but it's there, and it did something. And then we have a color ramp right here, just so the entire thing isn't just one white ball. And you can kind of see the clouds up here, but it's kind of overshadowed by the atmosphere. Get rid of that, and you can see that right there. The clouds are a little kind of spread out. And then we have a transparent BSDF, so the planet's not black. And then your principal BSDF, although from what it looks like you can just use a diffuse, less processing it'll take if you just use a diffuse rather than principal. I think this might have been a bit overkill. And last but not least, I have the atmosphere, which is this simple. It's just the volumetric 0.3 Don't know why I did this, but hey, it did something. I think it makes it look better. I hope it does. This anisotropy. I feel like I'm pronouncing that wrong. Anyhow, but yeah, that did something. And I have a spotlight here, just behind this. It gives it this random lighting here. Nothing too special. And to show you the final product. Alright, this is the final image, and this is after I put this in GIMP and kind of edited it a bit, so it looks a lot better. I kind of I made it a reddish, because, well, it's Mars, and it's called the Red Planet, so why not literally make it a bit red? So, that's it. Thanks for watching.